I sometimes read the headlines about the United States and I think to myself, are we actually talking about the same country? Because if you only follow the headlines, you'd think that the US economy is grinding to a halt right now. And yet on the ground, some places are moving faster than ever before. Here's a really good example. In early January, Elon Musk posted something that barely made a ripple, but it really mattered. He said, and I quote, "This is insane execution speed by XAI and the state of Mississippi. We are grateful to Governor Reeves for his support of building XAI at warp speed." That's Elon Musk, and he's talking about Mississippi. Now, XAI has committed more than $20 billion to a new data center in South Haven, Mississippi, built to support its Colossus supercomputer. The headline number is impressive, yes, but the real story here is how it happened. Land approvals moved quickly. Permitting didn't stall. And power, which is the biggest constraint for data centers, was planned and locked in early. State and local agencies were aligned rather than working at cross purposes. That's not politics. That's execution. And this is where a lot of international commentary on the US goes wrong. People like to talk about America as if it's one market, one system, and one big decision maker. It isn't. You invest state by state if you're smart. Some states are slow. Some are distracted. Some make announcements and then can't follow through. And others are ruthlessly practical. Mississippi has spent years quietly building capability in advanced manufacturing, energy, logistics, and now data infrastructure. This project didn't arrive by accident. It arrived where things were already set up to move. And the relationship didn't end once the ribbon was cut. After severe winter storms in February, Musk authorized generators to be donated to North Mississippi communities. That's what happens when a company isn't just extracting value. It's embedded. So zoom out. Yes, the US is volatile at the federal level right now. Yes, the politics are noisy. But beneath that, states are competing hard for capital, jobs, and strategic industries. For firms that understand how that system actually works, the opportunity set in the US is still very, very large. Advanced manufacturing, energy, AI and data centers, logistics and supply chains, defense. Waiting for certainty is a really good way to miss it all. Understanding where execution is happening and why is a much better strategy. This is also the lens we use in the blueprint for international success when we work with companies entering or expanding in the US. The link's below if you'd like to check it out.